Welcome to Cyber Christy, your go-to Welcome to Cyber Christy, your go-to destination for cutting-edge insights into cybersecurity and Azure solutions. I'm Christy, your guide through this ever-evolving world of digital security and cloud computing. In today's hyper-connected world, safeguarding our digital assets is paramount. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or a curious beginner, Cyber Christy is here to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to stay ahead of the curve. With a background in cybersecurity spanning over a decade, I've witnessed firsthand the rapid evolution of digital threats and the transformative power of cloud technologies. And here on Cyber Christy, I'm dedicated to sharing that expertise with you. From cybersecurity fundamentals to advanced Azure deployment, our content is tailored to meet you wherever you are on your journey. Whether you're looking to fortify your organization's defenses or expand your skill set, you'll find practical insights and actionable strategies right here. But Cyber Christy isn't just about disseminating information, it's about building a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about leveraging technology for good. And together, we'll explore emerging trends, tackle complex challenges, and celebrate victories. So if you're ready to embark on a journey of discovery and empowerment, hit the subscribe button and let's navigate the digital landscape together. This is Cyber Christy, where knowledge meets innovation.